On the 26th, they will continue to pay now. Pensioners, where will I go sleep if these people in the office? They will continue where we stop. But those people, una know them. Una know them. We know them all. Our campaign now to talk about what we want to do. For me, now to say, I thank Owan East. I thank Una for the support we Una give me these 8 years. And to say that as I go, I leave Una in the hands of people when Sabi. We will continue from where I stop. And by the grace of God, Una go support them. Pass as Una support me. Because one thing I know, they say they go do pass wetin I do. They go do pass where we dey now. So, I now formally present to you your next governor and your next deputy governor. All of una. We thank you now from inside our belly come out. We thank you now. Una be special people of God and Allah. Special. Where did I call you now? Where did I call you now? God don't bless you now special. So we thank you now. You know this place where we stand, so you know a few weeks ago they say our people they run for Olympics somewhere. One medal we no see. When this place be this place, we go pack medal come we no go know where to put them. So as I do myself, Excellency don't give us work. As we they come here, he say this is a Fuze, say he want to reach him, but he didn't do many other things. He don't nearly reach him, making a reach him. Because a Fuze must come back to world standard. He said I don't settle work for now. God bless you, my brother. God keep you, my brother. So, by the time we do 4 years, do 8 years, this Afuze, the gold medal where Nigeria go they win, Nigeria go back up and up. When I know say light day, darkness day, up day, ground day. Person where they see day, person where no they see day because you know one see. Time don't reach. Make we see because we won't see. Make we follow light because the light good. Make we go up because the up better. Because our uncle, our governor Obaseki don't set the pace. Which excuse we won't come give ourselves say we no go continue? Which excuse we won't give ourselves say we no go hammer? How we won't do them? How we want to continue suffer? Food no day table. Man when they chop 3 meats before now they chop 1 common. Even 6 common if you cut them into 3, no reach. You know, say to go market now, you give your wife, you know this is where they cost fight for house every day now. You give your wife 100,000 go market. She come back with food where they inside basket. The next day, you give her the same money again. She come back with 3 tomato. How we go continue living like that? You know, when it don't come now, Governor Obaseki don't talk, say, the thing where people they do elsewhere, where they affect us, time don't reach, make we just take care of ourselves. That's the way people they do, where they punish us, time don't reach, make we come out ourselves from that one. Time don't reach, make we do our own. Time don't reach, make we do our agriculture. Make we plant our own. Make we export our own. Make we bring our own business. Make we run our state as a first world state. Time don't reach. Time don't. No more suffering, not necessary. People take countries where they don't get the sense where we get, where they don't get the resources where we get, where they don't fit do the things where we fit do, where they don't get poor person. Why we can't get poor person for this our country? Why? Governor talk am, and I know the difference. If you not get leader, we love the people. It be like mama where in Pekin they cry. Mama when your Pekin they cry, you go carry am say wait till they make you cry. Leader where loving people, leaving people they suffer, you go in people say wait till they make them suffer. Don't be so. And I don't get all these people where no love them people. And I think they won't come back, so they won't take back door, can't enter. We go greet them. People people wey don punish us. Some say they be tiger, some say they be lion, some say they be this, some say no be so. God talk am. God your mother so that your days can be long. And the same thing, make you love your people so that your country can be good. And so we go do for Edo State. The work where a governor don't start, we must continue the thing. We must make our people happy. All the things where they cause us trouble, we must resolve them. The road, it don't build road for us. Another road they there, it don't build for us. We go build more road. Our farmland, we go make sure say people where they go farm, feed go farm. If you want to sleep for farm, you go sleep for farm. We they do cocoa before. Where the cocoa? Plantain, we want do am now. Make we get company we're gonna do plantain derivative. Plantain day, cashew nuts day. Oyibo like cashew die. Make we plant cashew, send them to them. Time don't reach. Time don't reach. Make we take our tongue, count our teeth. Make we talk, say we reject suffering. Wait till I talk. We reject punishment. And we reject bad people. Use this finger, go vote. Press out. Umbrella. Asue no go there now. Umbrella PDP. Wait till I talk. Umbrella PDP. Oh, why you put this in your hand? You